everyone, today is November 1st, and before we can do any decorating, we need to clean my room and take down all of the fall stuff and just make sure everything's all prepped and ready for Christmas. Now, I'm the type of person that on November 1st is when Christmas starts. I mean, last night was Halloween, so I slept in a bunch, woke up, made some hot chocolate, watched a Christmas movie, just to really get in that Christmas mood. And I took down all of the fall decorations that were around my house, but I didn't really work my room just because I've kind of been procrastinating because it's just so messy right now, like it needs cleaned. And I feel like I need to do a bit of a November reset. So I'm probably gonna turn on some Christmas music or a Christmas movie. And we have a bunch of candy from last night too. So yeah, I just gotta pick up and clean. And I'm gonna try to make that as quick and fun as possible so we can just be done with it and move on to all of the fun stuff. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's get going. Nice and clean now. I mean, most of it at least. I still have some things I have to bring downstairs, but besides that, we're doing pretty good. So I think tonight I'm gonna take down all of my fall decorations, and then tomorrow we're gonna figure out all of the Christmas stuff. I'm so excited. But the faster we get all of the fall stuff done, the quicker we can get the Christmas up. So I'm just gonna get this out of the way right now. Also turned on a new movie. I'm watching The Princess Switch right now. Okay, we're all done. I've pretty much taken down all of my fall stuff. I mean, there's like a couple little things I'm just gonna wait to replace for Christmas. But besides that, I think we're all good. And I guess I'll see you all tomorrow whenever we start decorating. Bye. Hey everyone, it's the next day. But before we get decorating, I need to get in the Christmas mood. I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate, even though it's like 80 degrees outside.
Ooh, the Christmas tree looks good.
I'm pretty sure I just made the most amazing hot chocolate ever. It is so good. I put a little too much of everything and that makes it perfect. Anyways, let me give you a haul of all of the Christmas decor that I got this year. I will say I got a lot of new stuff this year, but I'm obviously going to be using stuff that I've had from past year and all of that. Okay, first off from Michael's. Michael's actually had the cutest stuff ever. It was all like Nutcracker ballet themed and it was all pastels and gold, pink, everything. I just loved all of the stuff they had. I will most definitely be going back. But so far we got this sign that says Christmas in the City. When I saw this, I just had to get it. There was no doubt in my mind that this wasn't coming home. Look how adorable that is. The camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks so good. And I love all the colors on it and the gold and how it's like kind of clear. I do not know where I'm going to put this, but I will find a place. And then I got this pillow that says Let It Snow. I'm almost going for a theme this year of like the snow and snowflakes. We have a lot of that that's going to be around my room. So I thought this would just make it even better and it matches my bed perfectly. I was looking for a pillow and this was exactly what I was going for. So yeah, Michael's had great stuff. And also let me show you the jelly cats that I got this year. First off, we got this snowflake. I got matching with my friend Peyton and this is just adorable. It can sit like that. So cute. And then I got this reindeer. How could you not? Like that is adorable. Like that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love this one. And then of course we got a hot chocolate. You know, we see a theme. I love hot chocolate. And honestly, there are so many places in here that this could look perfect in. I could put it on my bed or on my nightstand. I don't even know yet. We'll find out. But look, it has sprinkles and this whole whipped cream. If you can't tell, I love jelly cats. I kind of have an obsession. And there will probably be more Christmas ones in my room before December. Anyways, I'm so happy with these ones though. And now Target. Target, we did some damage. We got a lot of stuff for around the house, but here's what's for my room specifically. First off, this bathroom rug with snowflake. This soap dispenser that looks like a snowflake. Oh, I also got this mug from Target. I got this Christmas blanket. Look at that pattern. It's like simple enough that it'll go with the whole theme. And it's also so soft. And finally, I got these snowflake sheets. These are also very pretty. That's all from Target. Now from Home Goods, I got this snow globe and it has some reindeers in there. Oh, I also forgot to mention from Target, I got this almond croissant candle. It just smells like vanilla and like bacon cookies. Yeah, it says powdered sugar and vanilla down here, just like that. Back to Home Goods. I got this sign that says Merry Christmas. And I think the last thing we have is this other sign that says have yourself a merry little Christmas. I also have these fairy lights, so I'm gonna try to find a place to use these whenever I'm decorating. I also got these two frames from HomeGoods. Look how pretty that one is. It just gives like princess vibes. And then I also got this one with birds on it. And then finally, I'm pretty sure this is the last thing, but I got some posters and photos printed at Walgreens. Let me show you the posters. So I have some above my bed over there, and I like to switch them out for different seasons. Like I have the fall one still up, but I got this Christmas tree with a bow at the top. Also, I found all of these on Pinterest if you're wondering. Oh, I also got this one for like spring and the new year, or if I just want to switch it up a little bit. And then I got this one with a big red bow. And then I got this one with the fruits of the spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. The design is adorable, and it's just a great reminder to like carry these out. I also want to show another thing. I made this the other day, but it's a prayer board, and I got all the supplies from Michael's. I got a frame, and then I got a cork board, ribbon, and then I kind of just tied it together like this. But basically, we have some Bible verses right here. We have Nehemiah 8:10, which is my favorite verse at the moment, and it says, "For the joy of the Lord is your strength." And then Psalms 56:3, "When I'm afraid, I put my trust in you." And I also hung this up right here on my wall, and it fits perfectly right there. Oh, and then I got more photos. I printed like 100. But basically, I have this wall collage. Well, I don't really know if you can even call it that anymore because it's basically falling apart. Instead of just buying a pack off of Amazon, because I couldn't find any that I liked. All of them were like a little ugly, to be quite honest, or they just didn't match like my vibe. So I just went on Pinterest and found like 100 photos, but I'm most likely going to be putting these up because I really just want my room to look a little bit more clean. I think the first area that I want to focus on is my bed and the posters above it. So let's not waste any more time and just get to it. Finished the bed and it is looking so adorable. I got worried. I had to readjust it like 3 or 4 times, but I'm super happy with how it turned out. And also the posters. I just love it all so much. So I'm so glad we started off with this. Now I think we should move into my bathroom and just do the couple little things in there. I've also been watching Christmas movies. We're watching Noel right now. But yeah, let's keep on going. We've been decorating for probably like 3 hours now, but now I'm going to work on my wall collage because that's basically all we have left from the new things that I got. So I'm gonna take all of those down and then put the new ones up. Welcome to my room. Here is a little Christmas room tour. As you can see, I decorated my door like it's a present. I wrapped it with ribbon and then put a little bow right here. So cute. I just saw it on TikTok and I was like, this is perfect. And over here we have one of my nightstands. We got one of our Christmas signs. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." This candle, it smells really good. It's like berry fizz. Again, pretty similar on this shelf. We have my charger. And then I also put a little tree over here. And then down here at the bottom, again, it looks like the same as usual. All my books and stuff. And if we turn, this is probably my favorite part of my room. I'm so happy with how the bed turned out. And also the posters up here. I just love how this entire area turned out. I'm so happy with it. And of course, we have my other nightstand. Shopping bags, same as usual. Down here, I have my Christmas in New York book. And I also added my little calendar down here. But yeah, this shelf pretty much looks the same as usual. And here's my mirror. I added this like bead garland sort of thing just to make it a little bit festive because I really liked how I had the leaves here before. And moving on to my dresser. This is another one of my favorite things. Honestly, like everything's my favorite. I love Christmas so much. So we have my candle from Target. I also have this little tree, my other Christmas sign, my advent calendar that I got. This is the 12 Days of Glow from Glow Recipe. I'm so excited to open it. I mean, look how cute that is, but I'm definitely gonna wait and like not peek at it. Now, I honestly had no idea where to put this sign. I'll probably end up moving it around, either somewhere in my room or like outside in the hallway. But I loved it so much, I just had to get it. So that's kind of the only thing everything that's changed over here. And then also we have this cat toy that looks like Santa. So I also put that in here for my cat. And on my windows, of course, I added the new wall collage. Again, I am so happy with how it turned out. I love it so much more than what I had before. And I feel like it just fits my room so much better too. Here is where my TV is. And another like dresser storage area. I have this little like Santa decoration, but it also opens up. Sometimes I'll put like candy in there or like candy cane, things like that. I have my snowflake jelly cat and this present decoration right here. This area is so simple, but I feel like it really adds a lot to the room. And finally onto my vanity. I really like how this is so simple, but again, adds a lot to the room. We have my makeup bag and then the cutest snow globe. It's from Home Goods. It has these reindeer in it. Also added my Christmas blanket. This area, I just added this snowman. And of course we have my prayer board too. And yeah, that is pretty much what my room is looking like. And I'm sure we're going to be adding so much more Christmas stuff. I still have to put a tree in my room, but I think I'm going to be doing those things closer to December. We already have our tree up downstairs though. It's so pretty. But yeah, that is my Christmas room. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe because it really helps support my channel and helps it grow. Also, if you made it this far, comment this emoji for Christmas and let me know if you've decorated yet or are planning to. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Remember to stay positive and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.